Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Casey's Outdoor and Entertainment. Today, I'll be taking you guys along with me on a squirrel hunt. I will be bringing these two impacts along with me. One is shooting rat sniper slug, the other FX hybrid slugs. Here's the rat sniper slug. I acquired them from Mike a little bit over a year now. I ordered about 400 or 500 of these slugs, but ever since then, I couldn't get hold of him due to back order. They are also called hybrids from a rat sniper. They do have hollow cavities similar to the FX hybrid. These right here, or the FX hybrid slugs in 22 grain, as you can see here, and they look kind of similar in a way. They are very accurate, and the 25 cal from a rat snapper, it's also very accurate. As you will see in the upcoming footage, accuracy test. And here it is again, the rat sniper slugs. As you can see, they look similar in a way, but very nice and accurate rounds. Very light, about 26.5 grain, I believe. As you can see here, my 25 cal impact Mark 1 with a Aztec scope mounted on 700 millimeter slug liner. This is my Mark 2 impact. I just recently got from Utah Airgun, 22 cal 700 millimeter pellet liner. It's mounted with an ATN X-Sight 5x20. I'll be using this scope to capture accuracy tests by using both of these slugs, the rat sniper 25 cal 26.5 grain slugs, and the FX hybrid slug 22 cals 22 grain slugs. Alright guys, up next is the accuracy test. Hope you enjoy. For my first grouping, I'll be using my 25 cal with the rat sniper slug, shooting around 950 feet per second. My aim point is right there at the bullseye. This is a 30-yard grouping. It's supposed to be a 5-group shot, but I got carried away and accidentally shot one more. People say that slug doesn't get stabilized in a short range, but at 30 yards it does. As you can see, it is very accurate. Here's my 22 cal Mark II impact, shooting hybrid slugs at around 980 feet per second. 5-group shot. My aim point is right there at the bullseye also, and hope you enjoy. Alright guys, this is the 25 cal shooting out of slug liners, and this one right here, it's a 22 cal shooting out of a pellet liner, and it is very accurate. Hey guys, I apologize for not able to go hunting on the same day I did this accuracy test, as stated in the first part of this video. On the following day, I was able to. I got my impact MK2 in 22 along with me. I'll be hunting inside of this ground blind right here. During the winter season, I usually hunt this way due to leaves are falling down from the trees, and if you're outside, squirrel could easily see you, not unless you have a squirrel dog. I'm here in Missouri, and state law in Missouri allow you to have 10 squirrel a day, and 20 squirrel in possession. And let's see if I could get my limit of 10. And I'll be using the 4K X sight out of my impact here to capture kill shot. Let's get set up and let's see what happens. Hope you enjoy. After a few hours of hunting, I managed to get my bag limit of 10 squirrel. This is my buddy Lee. We came together. This is his Wolverine R. He has managed to bag around 6 squirrels. Still have some more to go. This time around, he's gonna use my FX impact so that he could get some kill shots for you guys. Hey guys, I'm bringing this video to an end now. I hope you guys enjoy it. I apologize for the sound quality and the quality of this video. I'm just a rookie. I'm still learning, just bear with me. As far as these FX hybrid slug goes, they are very accurate, and they carry a lot of energy, as you can see. They just bring these squirrel down just like nothing. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next upcoming video. Thank you very much.